Hello and welcome to day 2 of STEM Clubs Week 2023, a festival of extracurricular STEM engagement that everyone can get involved in, whether in school, with your family and friends, or through your work. My name is Michael Anderson and I work here at the National STEM Learning Centre in York. This year for STEM Clubs Week, we are exploring AI, the world and you. We'll look at how artificial intelligence and machine learning affects our daily lives, how it may impact our future, what its limitations are, and the ethics involved. We're really excited by today's theme, which is AI and us, exploring how AI is already in our lives, how we use it, the benefits it brings, and how we can address the issues surrounding it. We'll start the day with Andrew Burgess from Greenhouse Intelligence. An acknowledged expert in AI and machine learning, Andrew will tell us about how AI surrounds us in our daily lives and its use in business. Andrew is followed by a screening of Working in AI, a deep mind and Raspberry Pi look into working in artificial intelligence and machine learning. Our third item of the day is from Kavya Kartik, a senior researcher at the Ada Lovelace Institute. Kavya delves into AI and bias. We will discover some potential issues and how they may be addressed. Our day ends with a live webinar from Anthony Dixon at 3 p.m. Please join us to explore the natural language processing in the AI that surrounds us. You'll also have a chance to put your questions to Anthony at the end of the webinar. We'd like to invite you to hold your own debates and discussions today about AI. Do you think AI is a good thing? What are the risks? Do the positives outweigh the potential downsides? Please let us know what you think. You can post your comments, videos or photos to the @STEMClubs Twitter handle, and please use hashtag STEMClubsWeek. Tomorrow we will explore the use of AI and machine learning in the world of health and medicine, so please make sure to join us again tomorrow. I'd like to thank you all for engaging with STEM Clubs Week this week, but remember that here at STEM Learning we have a range of support for you throughout the year. So I'd like to take a few moments to talk to you teachers about some of the things we have on offer. Firstly, I'd like to encourage you to check out the range of residential CPD held here at the National STEM Learning Centre in York. We're dedicated to delivering quality face-to-face professional development where you can work with like-minded teachers, network, and develop your own teaching practice. All courses include tuition, accommodation and catering, and generous subsidies are available to contribute towards the costs. Please also check out our local CPD offer delivered through our network of science learning partnerships and computing hubs. And additionally, we have a range of self-paced online courses from STEM Learning that allow you to learn wherever and whenever suits you. You'll have access to real classroom footage, learn from leading experts and experienced educators, and have the opportunity to reflect and improve upon your own teaching practice. Finally, I'd like to encourage you to check out our vast collection of free to access quality assured resources that cover primary, secondary and post-16 STEM subjects, as well as a wealth of careers and enrichment activities, support and ideas. Happy STEM Clubs Week.